Good morning, one and all. This is Bhaskar Erra, working as a mathematics teacher at Jilla Parishad High School, Singanaguda, Mulgu Mandal, Siddipet district. As part of ADAPT, which from Lions International T20D is conducting a video competition among the teachers. So today I have taken the topic that I want to talk about 5 important factors that distinguish virtual teaching from classroom teaching. So let us share few thoughts on online versus virtual. In this unprecedented and unfortunate pandemic, there is a substantial gap between students and teachers. As a teacher, we have to reach out the students due to this type of lockdown or whatever it is. So as a teacher, we have to play major role at this moment. Educational institutions have been practicing traditional classroom teaching since decades. As we are very familiar with this type of classroom teaching, as a teacher we are all teaching regular classroom teaching. So in this pandemic, every teacher must be enhance their technical knowledge, and we have to literate in digitalization also, because at this pandemic we have to reach out the students so that we have to enhance our knowledge on digitalization. So today, at this moment, I am also reaching out my students through Zoom app. I have purchased a tablet, and I am writing on the tablet. I am teaching mathematics to my students with the help of the tablet and using Zoom app and Google Meet. Let us see what is the differences between classroom teaching and online teaching. So now there are so many factors are there, online teaching versus classroom teaching. So I have taken 5 important factors that are: first, online teaching, more information at a glance and flexibility. There is in online teaching, there is a flexibility and more information a teacher and students will get, and access of with the help of internet. So in a classroom teaching, face-to-face interaction between students and teachers, students will understand at that time only, and students can clarify their doubts at that moment, and teacher also can understand the level of understanding levels of the student. And coming to online teaching, second point, anywhere and from any time. So you can learn any courses, any online in institute, any online courses offers anytime. You can stay at home and you can learn whichever you want, whatever you want, you can learn from home only. But whereas in classroom, the prescribed syllabus will be there, and timetable will be there, institutional timetable you have to follow. Students and teachers must be follow restricted time and depending on a teacher. So third, stay home and no commute, no travel. So in online teaching, you have to stay at home and you have to reach out your students by staying at home only. There is no travel, no traveling expenses, low budget. You can reach out your students, and time will also consume the time. Leave, third one, in classroom teaching, live environment and peer group study. Yes, students and teachers have the fun in the classroom. They will get a live environment and a classroom, and a classroom teaching is more effective than online teaching, because every student under 18 years, they must need a school, because they will in the school they will have peer groups and friends and more games. So that students under 18 years must have the schooling only. So I prefer better than online class. Offline class is better for under 18 years students. Now fourth one, wider information and as many times students can learn. So information will be more vast automatically, no doubt at all. So you can get much information through Google, or many tools are there, but you can save the time. Whereas coming to classroom teaching, teacher supervision and proper guidance. In the classroom teaching, there is a supervision. Teacher will take care of the students, and proper guidance will be given by the teachers to the students. And the progress of students will know by up to date. But in this classroom teaching, parents are only the supervisors. Sometimes parents will go to their work, their jobs. So there is no supervision and proper guidance in online class.